guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be on the look I'm wearing right now. It is based off one of these sketches that I have been doing. It's not coming up on camera the way I drew it. So you can't really see the colors, but pretty much did it exactly on my eyeball. Just added this little gem here because I have a scab there. It's the weirdest thing. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So to start off this look, I'm taking the SUVA Beauty Mural Hydra Cream base. These are water activated, so don't forget to add in a little drop of liquid. And I just put that in my crease, and then I'm taking a dual fiber brush. This one is from LUXIE, and I'm just making sure that is nice and blended out. You definitely want this to be nice and seamless before putting any shadows on top. Then I'm taking this shadow from ColourPop. It's called Secrets, and I'm placing this in my upper crease area as my transition shade with a really nice fluffy blending brush. Then I'm taking Soft Core from ColourPop, and I'm placing this directly in my crease with a MAC 217 brush. I'm sorry I didn't show you the actual color in the pan. It just came up white with the brightness on my camera. Next, I'm taking Fair Play from ColourPop and placing this directly in my crease with the same MAC 217 brush. And then, of course, I'm going to pick up a fluffier brush when I'm done doing this to make sure it's nice and seamless. Next, from SUGARPILL, I'm taking Poison Plum, which is their really nice purple shade, and placing this directly in my crease using a MAC 239 brush. And then I'm going to pick up that MAC 217 brush to make sure it's nice and blended out. Alright, so then I'm going to cut my crease with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and for this I'm using the Real Techniques Detailer brush, and I'm going to take this in a winged out style. And then once I have the shape right, I'm just going to pull that down onto the lid and blend that into the skin. Next, I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Brights Cream Color in Aqua Sapphire mixed with a bit of INGLOT Duraline because I only wanted like a very thin layer, not something super thick. So I mixed them together, and then I am placing this about halfway across my lid. And then I'm taking more of SUVA Beauty's Mural Hydra Cream base and placing this on the outer third of my lid. So I'm trying to keep the lid in sort of a half circle shape. So just follow what I'm doing here. And then once I have that down, I'm going to pick up the brush that I used for Aqua Sapphire and make sure those blend together. Next, I'm going to take SUGARPILL's Mochi eyeshadow, and I'm going to pack that onto the lid where I placed the base. And then taking more of SUGARPILL's Poison Plum eyeshadow, I'm placing that over top of the purple base. And then of course I'm going to pick out my other brush to make sure these two colors blend together. Now for my wing, I'm taking EYEKO's Black Magic Liquid Liner, and I'm going to wing this out. And next I'm going to take STILA's Magnificent Metals into the blue and place this all over top of my wing. I was watching a bunch of, I feel like it's Keely. I'll leave her name up on the screen. And she's been using these on top of her liners and it's so pretty. So I had to do it. Next, I'm taking one of the NYX Faux Whites pencils and placing this in the inner corner of my eye. To be honest, you could just use a white, it's no big deal. Then I'm taking Sigma's Initial Power Liner and placing this in my waterline and along my lower lash line. And then, of course, I'm going to blend and smudge that out. Next, I'm going to take ColourPop's On The Fence eyeshadow and highlight the inner corner with this. And then I'm going to take the brushes that I used in my crease and blend and smudge out the lower lash line. And then, of course, I'm going to darken it up with a bit of Poison Plum. So now I'm going to the LENA Lash Girl collection, and I believe these are the style Femi. And I'm going to be popping them on. And this is the finished eye look. I did pop on a gem under my brow because I did have a scab there and I thought it looked cool. Alright, so this is the completed look. I decided to pair it with a top pink lip. So I used a couple things. I used the ABH lipsticks in Stargazer and Orchid. So these two right there. And I also put a bit of ABH's Peony lip gloss on top. And I lined my lips with the NYX Suede lip liner in Milan. So yeah, a lot of things on my lips today. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. It really helps me out. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.